Hey beautiful people, today I'm bringing you a video on how to achieve these beautiful edges. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going to be using my Evolve by Firstline edge brush. I really do love this brush, you guys. It's sturdy, look how big the brush part is, and it has a rat tail comb at the end. So first I'm just going to brush my edges out. Brush them out, brush, brush, brush. Okay, so now I'm just applying my EBIN Ny Edge Control 24-hour edge tamer. This is literally the only edge control I use. I either use this one, well I use two. I use this one or the Kiss Colors. But today we're obviously using the EBIN Edge Control. And yeah, we're just gonna swoop. You see how I just swoop that? I just swoop it back. Okay, I got a little fancy right here because I was trying to be cute. But look, all you're doing is holding it and swooping. Just hold it and swoop. Use your finger to hold it in place and just swoop it where you want it to go. You see how I use my finger to hold it in place and then swoop it back? You gotta hold it in place and then swoop it back so you can get, the shape that you want. You see the swoopation of it all? Do you see the swoops? Don't forget to give your little sideburns a little swoop too. Just a little swoop. Go on and finish your other side. Add your edge control and get to swooping. Swoop, 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 swoop-a-doo. You see how I make sure I hold it in place and then swoop it back so I can get the shape I want? Now, I know some of my ladies find this super duper hard to do, but I'm telling you, it's super easy. All you're doing is swooping your hair back. That's it. You're just swooping your edges back. For them to stay flat, I take this wide edge styler, tie my edges down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and voila. Now to style it, I'm just going to take another edge styler. Evolve by Firstline has so many different colors and prints. I thought this one was so cute. So yeah, we're just going to tie it up, wrap it around the back, tie it up in the front, and boom, there goes your look. I think this look is so cute. Thank you for watching, beautiful people. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see me do next.